Hello there everyone, it's me again, and now I'm at the top level of the ferry on the 12th rooftop floor, and I don't know if you have started to understand that I'm afraid of heights. So being this high up, it's very different, but what do? My wife said you have to film something outside, so it's I don't know, the time is 1:45, 13:45. Just had a pizza and a cold beer, and I am it's like 4.5 hours left, so approximately 4.5 hours, so let's say 5 then. Usually they are delayed, but I don't know, there's a 6:30 in the speakers. And then it's like 45 minutes or something around that to the house, and then find a parking, and then unload the car, and then go to my favorite place, if it's open, for a glass of red wine, and then go to sleep, because tomorrow it's an ordinary work day. So it's been amazing. I think it's around 1,900 kilometers or something that we made this road trip, and I will of course make a summary episode, as I promised you, with everything summed up, good thing, bad thing, pros and cons. Of course, it's more expensive to go by car than to fly, but I will also check the CO2 emissions to see, the difference between that. Depending, of course, that the electricity is a lot of the electricity produced in Italy is made by gas, and so. But I will check everything. I will also write down all the costs for charging the car, hotels, food, drinks, like everything I have. I will just, show you, so you know exactly. But the kind of secret sauce to this is that, of course, we can fill up the car with olive oil and red wine when we go home, and then we don't go through Switzerland because they have so hard custom routes, so you have to go through Austria instead. But if you go through Austria, that won't be a problem. So I guess we will be able to bring home around 90 liters of olive oil and around 100 liters of red wine, I hope. So it's 33 degrees, so it's really hot. I can see people are like sunbathing here, so I will get down, continue to do some work, upload some movies. Also, maybe I will take a shower also. So that's done. I don't know the status of the water heater thing when I get to the house. I hope that we did turn it off, or I will see that on the electric bill. So, see you soon. Ciao.